May nabasa ako kanina, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Nabasa ko kanina, napakagandang reminder. It's about the power of yung prayer time po natin. Kapag yung ating prayer time ay nababawasan, nanunumbalik yung ating past life, yung dating buhay natin. So, what it means is very simple. It's really just the more time that we spend with the Lord, the more na tayo ay nananatili sa Kanyang presensya, the more that we move away from spending time with the Lord, nanunumbalik yung mga dati nating mga kaparaanan. If you spend less time in prayer, mas nanunumbalik yung dating gulo ng buhay, yung dating pamamaraan ng pamumuhay. The more time you spend in prayer, so you're more intimate with the Lord, the more na payapa, the more na tahimik lang yung buhay. So, napakagandang paalala.